In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas. If you're looking for a simple way to generate business ideas quickly, ChatGPT can be a very helpful starting point. It works especially well when you give it a clear prompt. So instead of asking something broad like, give me business ideas, you'll get better results by being specific about your budget, your goals, and the kind of output you want. To begin, open ChatGPT and go to a new chat. In the message box, type a prompt that clearly explains what you want the tool to generate. In this example, the prompt is generate 20 online business ideas that can be started with less than $500. Rank them by startup cost, earning potential, and difficulty. This prompt works well because it gives ChatGPT several useful constraints. First, it asks for online business ideas, which narrows the category. Second, it sets a budget limit, which helps keep the suggestions realistic and practical. And third, it asks for the ideas to be ranked by startup cost, earning potential, and difficulty, which makes the final response much easier to compare and evaluate. When writing your prompt, try to be as clear and direct as possible. The more specific you are, the more useful the results tend to be. If you already know the type of business you're interested in, you can use that in your wording later. But for getting started, this general prompt is a strong first step. Once your prompt is typed in and looks correct, go ahead and click submit. After that, ChatGPT will generate a list of business ideas based on the instructions you gave it. At this stage, the key is to review the results carefully. Since the ideas are ranked according to the criteria you asked for, you'll be able to quickly spot options that are low cost, easier to start, or have stronger earning potential. This can save you time compared to researching from scratch, and it can also help you discover ideas you may not have considered on your own. If the first response isn't exactly what you want, that's completely normal. The quality of the output often improves as you refine the prompt, but the most important thing is starting with a clear request like this one. That's all it takes to begin using ChatGPT for business brainstorming. With one well-written prompt and a quick submit, you can generate a useful list of potential online businesses and create a strong foundation for your next idea.